Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if camera not working in your Facebook, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Facebook. So just open it. Now you just need to allow your camera, just turn on, and now you will have access for using camera in Facebook app. Also you can try to go to the general after. Just scroll down and just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook. And now if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.